Welcome back to the placement preparation for management and engineering students. In this session, I'm going to discuss one of the important topic that is top business case studies for placement and GD rounds. So you may get a GD interview. So during the GD interview, they may give some case study. Based on that, they may ask some questions, and you should analytically think about the reasons and justify accordingly. Let me show you some case study, and that will be really helpful for some type of group discussion so that you can answer it well. Even this can be asked for the final round also, based on your way of thinking. Suppose in the real time business world, how you are going to think, that is very important. So let me discuss about the content so that you can answer it very well. One of the case study that is you can observe, hotel chain weekly occupancy drop. So problem understanding is 40% of the drop in weekday occupancy. So hotel chain weekday occupancy, not weekend occupancy. Hotel chain weekday occupancy drop. 40% of the drop in weekday occupancy. What could be your analysis? Decline in business travelers. That could be one of the reason. Because so during the weekdays, the number of people visiting in the office to office, that may be very less. Rising the Airbnb competition. That is another issue. Then weekday pricing. So the variation in the pricing also may be affected. Then limited corporate tie-ups, no collaboration. There is no employee exchange. There won't be any conclave or conferences. That may be these are the different reasons. If you found any other reason, you can put forward it so that you can show your thinking or the common sense or logical way of thinking. Recommendations: how to overcome this drop. Corporate package you can provide as a hotel management. You can issue with a corporate package, then tie up with the IT and consulting firms. There may be some percentage. This much percentage we are going to give if somebody accommodated. So you can make a collaboration or MOUs. Then add a co-working space in hotels. That is another plus point. Weekday offers can be given. So especially pay to stay three. So that is a plus one of the plus point. So that it will attract the travelers to occupy in your hotel. Then improve online reviews and ratings. So suppose if you provide certain reviews, some discount will be given. There are some offers. So these kind of recommendations can be given. So these are the a general thing. Other one is Flipkart abandonment. Problem understanding: 67% of users abandon the cards. What could be the reasons? Your analysis: high delivery charges, of course, payment failure, slow applications, missing trust signal, like a easy return. That is another issue. Once the goods delivered, if they are not returned back, then lose the trustworthy, and it may affect the word of mouth transfer also. Recommendations: reduce the delivery charges above rupees 299. Then one click, one checkout, faster optimized payment gateway system, highlight easy return and price protection. If you provide this, of course, the Flipkart abandonment can also be rectified. Yes, these are the general thing. Manufacturing defect rate 8%. So what could be the, suppose a manufacturing company, defect rate is getting increased. So defect rate is very high, increasing the wastage and cost. What could be the analysis? Poor machine calibration, inadequate worker training, weak quality check process, lack of incentives. These are the major reasons. What could be the recommendations? Conduct root cause analysis. I mean, you can go for like a fishbone analysis. Then train the workers smoothly. That is very important. Add the quality checks at each stage of the process. Introduce the reward for zero defect batches. So it will give the employee motivation so that people will not waste any amount or any sources. Okay. So these are the important thing regarding another case study like a manufacturing defect rate reduction percentage. Amazon warehouse congestion. Problem understanding is inventory overflow and slow order processing. What could be the analysis? Overstocking of slow moving product, then poor rack organization, another issue, very less space, high or incoming stock without planning, then manual picking delays. These are the major analysis which is based upon the problem. Recommendations: then velocity based rank acknowledgement or ABC based rank acknowledgement, then automate picking for fast moving items. That is another uh, like a thinking or recommendations. Predictive stocking during the festival. So real-time inventory management system. These are the major recommendations from this side. Now, Byju's high subscription cancellations. Problem understanding says parents cancel immediately after the free trials. What could be the analysis? The aggressive sales behavior, pricing not clearly communicated, parents unsatisfied with the content quality, cancellation process complicated. These are the major analysis which we can make. Recommendations are transparent pricing and simple cancellation, reduce the sales pressure force on wall, improve the live classes learning analytics, and build trust with better customer support. These are the recommendations you can give to the Byju's. So likewise, you can plan the answer properly so that whenever any like uh, new things comes, it will be easy for you. So prepare accordingly. Do well. I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for getting the similar kind of video. Please like the video. Kindly comment and don't forget to share. I wish you all the very best. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you all.